camping out tonight off the bike trail. So we found this spot near South Kouchibouguac, along the lagoon, right on the water. There's a little beach here. It's pretty cool. And there's a fire pit. Someone was just here a couple days ago. This is all burned out, but we're gonna have a bonfire tonight. I haven't seen it in months. It's been pretty nice. We're gonna cook some dinner. I got some freeze-dried food that I'm gonna try to cook. It says it'll be ready in about 10 minutes. Been having a blast. There's a lot of cool things to see along the trail. I've seen deer, I've seen moose, I've seen bears, black bears. This is a really cool spot to camp.